hindi nyo masunod yung code ng Broadcasters of the Philippines?
We-
Hindi po ba?
With all
Hindi ko
due,
natatanungin yan. Very clear na po yun.
Thank you very
Mr.
much,
Chair.
the Honorable
Chair.
with all due respect to
Chair.
We
the
now proceed.
Mr. Chair.
Muling tila binusalan na naman ang bibig ng abogado ng SMNI sa pagpapaliwanag kung bakit sila umalis sa KBP o kapisanan ng mga broadcasters ng Pilipinas dahil supalpal na naman ang chairman sa mga sagot ni Attorney Tolentino. Samantala ay guilty agad ang hatol ni Pimentel sa SMNI, kailangan talagang alisin na ang franchise sa ilalim ng nasabing network. Gustong magpaliwanag ni Attorney Tolentino pero hindi na naman binigyan ng pagkakataon upang ihayag ang dahilan kung bakit nga ba sila umalis sa KBB. Maliwanag ba na pambubusal ito ng Kongreso at ginagamit nila ang kanilang kapangyarihan para patahimikin ang SMNI? Dahil ba alam nila na kapag hindi nila ginawa ito ay siguradong mahahayag ang kanilang baho sa publiko? Narito ang naganap na pagdinig at ikaw na ang humusga, kabayan.
Yes, Attorney Tolentino.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest that with respect to the SMNI membership with KBP, we already withdraw last December 4, 2023. So the case pending with the KBP is already moot and academic. And second, Mr. Chair,
Wait. So, December 4,
2023, Mr. Chair. Yesterday. Yes, Mr. Chair.
I understand why you had to withdraw. We're talking the broadcast code
Because,
of the
Mr.
Philippines.
Chair, we believe that the membership of KBP is not mandatory. And in fact,
So if it was not mandatory, why did you join in the first place?
we join, it's an option on our part, Mr. Chair.
Precisely. So,
Yes.
but you joined.
So we have the option to be a member. We also have
Yes.
the option not to be a member.
Yeah. Anyway, we will not anymore
And
You know,
and second,
belabor that
Mr.
point. Ay, wag na ho tayong pumunta ho doon. Basta klaro ho tayo, kahapon lang, pagkatapos ng first hearing, ay nag-withdraw po kayo sa
Yes, Mr.
KBP.
Chair.
Klaro na po yan. Ha?
Mr.
Second,
Chair,
Mr.
I would
Chair.
like to comment on yung sinabi ni Attorney Tolentino. Nag-withdraw sila sa KBP. Bakit? Dahil hindi nga nila masunod yung broadcast code of the Philippines.
Oh.
That is precisely they withdrew their membership because they could not abide by the broadcast code. Hindi nila magawa Section 3, fairness and objectivity. Hindi nila magawa ang Section 5, unconfirmed reports. Hindi nila magawa Article 4, personal attacks. Pati yung mga on-air language. That is why nga these boldsters, may accusation, may allegations na hindi sila karapat-dapat bigyan ng prangkisa o bawiin ng prangkisa. The fact that they withdrew from KBP just underscores the need for the revocation of their license. Kaya kayo nag-withdraw, Attorney Tolentino, Mr. Chair, hindi nyo masunod yung code ng Broadcasters of the Philippines.
We-
Hindi po ba?
With all
Hindi ko
due,
natatanungin yan. Very clear na po yun.
Thank you very
Mr.
much,
Chair.
the Honorable
Chair.
with all due respect
Mr.
to
Chair.
the,
We now proceed.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, with all
Ano
due
po
respect
ninyo?
to the,
Order. Klaro na po tayo, nag-withdraw ho kayo, no?
yes,
At
Mr. Chair, but
mamaya
I,
ho, tatawagin ko po kayo. Marami pa ho mga membro magtatanong. Please to serve your questions.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
The